Yes, now we'll see another program. Write a program to concatenate two strings without a library function. I'll tell you what is this library functions all about after completing this. First we'll see how to use to be familiar with your strings, right? So hash include stdio.h int main. Here I have a character array. So here I am going to call it as a string 1, string 2 because I am going to combine these two strings, right? And then int ij, this I am going to use it in a loop. So we have ij, printf enter the string. I am asking the user to enter the first string. So again I am going to use getS, using getS. Again printf enter the second string. Again I can use getS, right? So here I am giving the input as all is, and here I am giving the input as well. Now I need to concatenate. Concatenate means what? Joining. So all is well. That should be my output, right? So now when I want to concatenate, I should concatenate only at the end of my first string, right? All is. After that only I have to attach this well. So I need to find the end here, right? I need to find the length of this also, right? So for that, again in the previous method we have seen. So for I is equal to 0, string 1 of I, still it is not equal to 0, I plus plus. So here instead of using count to count the number of values, this I itself I can use. So how many times I am incrementing this I value, that I will have it here, and that is going to be the length of str1, the first string. Clear? Because 0, so in 0 I have a is not equal to 1, right? So I will increment my I value 1, str of 1, again L is not equal to null, like this it will go on, right? So here I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 6th place I have a null. Clear? So I have what? So till it is not equal to null. So I equal to 6 will be there, right? So when I equal to 6, it is going to be null. So it will come out of the for loop, right? Now for j equal to 0. That is going to be the length. So my length is going to be 0 to 5. That is nothing but 6. I equal to 6. So the length of the string is going to be 6. So now for j equal to 0, right? Why I have j equal to 0? Because I need to read from the second array and I need to attach it to my first array, right? So here j equal to 0, I am reading my second array. For the second array I need to start from the beginning. So I am having j equal to 0, right? Still it becomes null. And then I plus plus. That means from where I have got I equal to 6. So from this position only I need to attach my next well, right? So here I am having I. My I will take. So here my I value is 6. So in that position I need to attach what? str2 of j. So str2 of j means here j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 until it reaches a null. Right? So till it reaches the null, I will read character by character, and where I am going to attach this W, I am going to attach this W in my 6th place, that is in my I value. My I value is going to be 6. So in that place I am going to attach my W. So here I am concatenating. Till what I have to attach? Till str2, till the second string reaches your null, I am going to read the character from my second string and I am going to attach it to my first string. Is that clear? So this is what we have done here. After attaching it, see I have all is well. So I need to attach null to the end of my first character. Is that clear? So that is what we have done. str of I equal to null, because I only we have used for str1. So on the I am attaching the null character. and printf after concatenation we are printing the array. Either you can use put as also for printing the string. Clear? This is used to concatenate. So in concatenation, what we need to be careful, we need to attach to the end of the first array. So again I need to find the length. I am storing this length, the 6 in my I itself, my index variable itself, in my loop variable, and this time I am using it here. Why? Because only from this position I need to read the character of my second array and I need to assign it to my first string. Right? This you are going to call it as a concatenation. Right? Next we will move on to another program. A program to copy one string to another string. So here I am going to copy. So we have completed this. Right. Sorry. And next we will see one more program. Write a program to check whether two strings are same. So here I am going to check whether two strings are same. Right? Till now we have seen how to reverse the string, how to concatenate the string, right? And now we will see how to check whether two strings are same, right? So here I have two arrays, S1, S2, two arrays I have. So here I am getting printf enter the first string. So I am reading the first string, and here I am reading the second string. Now here I am checking whether two strings are equal. So I need to check character by character. You have a library function to check the entire string as a whole, but here we don't want to use the library function. So we need to check character by character, right? So here I am checking for I is equal to 0. I have a loop variable. So till S1 of I is not equal to null. So here I can specify only one array. Because if both the strings are equal, then both will end at the same time. So both will have null at the same I value, right? Suppose if one is not going to have a null value, then it is not going to be equal, then I can come out of the for loop, right? So here it is enough if you have S1 of I not equal to null, I plus plus, right? So S1 of I, here I am checking the character of my first array, and at the same time I am checking the character of my second array. If both the characters are same, then I am going to make temp equal to 1. And why we are using this? To check whether the two characters are equal, right? Right. If it is not equal, initially for example if you have carrot and I have another one carrots. This is my S1, this is my S2. Is that clear? Now both the strings are not same. Why? Because in the first string I have only carrot. In the second string I have what? Carrots, right? So you need to include and operator also here, right? So S1 of I not equal to null and S2 of I not equal to null, right? So here it is going to be your condition. I have missed this, I will tell you why. Now if you take an example like this, here I have reached an end of an array. Till this both the things are going to be same. So your temp will be equal to 1. But for the last character it is not equal, right? So I need to check here S1 of I not equal to null and S2 of I not equal to null, right? If the condition satisfied, then I will check character by character. So here I will check 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. All these things are equal. So whenever the character is equal, I will have temp equal to 1. Right? Now, again I will go here. Here S1 of I is not equal to null, but here it is equal to null. The condition is false, right?